Got one. Woo! That's a dirty son.
That's a big one.
You dropped it. Did I?
One shot up there, miracle.
Well, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a little different. I'm going to do a bit of an unboxing and gear review. My friends at NewView Hunting Gear sent me a few things, and I'm glad to be partnering with them this coming fall, and it could work out to a long-term partnership for me. So as promised, I'm going to do a bit of an unboxing and a bit of a gear review video. Hunting season's coming up. If you're doing some tree stand hunting, some sitting, some glassing, you're looking for warm hunting gear on a budget, this is definitely the stuff for you. And without further ado, I'm going to get right into it. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy. So as soon as you open the pack, you get a little thank you card as well. Is a generic note, I would imagine. So this here is the 60 liter hunting pack. NewView Hunting, you can see the logo up top. You can get the 80 liter pack. This here retails, I think, for around $130 Canadian before tax. A great camouflage hunting pack on a budget. Fits really good, and it can take a load. And also, one extra thing that comes in this pack is a NewView Hunting rain cover. So again, great hunting pack on a budget. You got your front compartment, you got two side compartments. This here is a zipper on the bottom for easy access. If you have anything you don't got to be reaching out, you can just unzip this flap and get into anything on the bottom. Also, one other thing that I really like on top, it comes with these two circle straps. So I took a picture of myself with my tripod on the back, and it was clipped up, and it worked very well. It's a very good thing to have. You can put a bedroll on it, you can put multiple things on it. This is a 60 liter, you can go bigger with the 80 liter, but I chose to go with the 60 liter. And next up is the one I never really had a good look at yet, and this is the cold weather jacket and pants. Alright. Alright, so I believe the bigger one is the jacket, the smaller one is the pants. So I'm normally a 2XL, and I was talking to the brand manager, Julian, and he mentioned that a few people find it a little small, so I went with the 3XL instead of the 2XL. Let's see what it's like. They have multiple options. I believe they might have like a silent, quiet material. This is a cold weather material, but as you can tell, I mean, it really don't make much noise. And I believe it's actually water resistant as well. So I'm eager to try it on. Fits great for late season hunts. If you're sitting around, if you're glassing, if you're hunting from a tree stand or anything, it'll keep you nice and warm. And the inside of the jacket is actually lined in fleece. So another reason why it's warm. So that's awesome. This is the jacket. Now let's get into the pants. I'm 6'3", 260, and these pants fit me absolutely amazing. But yeah, they fit me great. So all in all, super pleased with this suit. Actually, I love the look of it too. You can unzip it, and make the bottom of your pant leg water to fit around a big boot or whatever the case may be. Super impressed with the quality of this jacket and pants. Super warm, gonna be great for some late season hunts, and not very loud. One thing about it, a lot of times you get camouflage brands that are very loud, but just have a listen. For what it is and what you're paying, I don't think you could get a better bang for your buck. I'm not going to be doing any out in the field type filming for this video. This is more or less just an unboxing and my first initial thoughts of it. And plus, you're going to be seeing this stuff in a lot more of my videos. If you get any questions about any of this stuff, how I like it, how it feels, how it fits, you know, you can shoot me a message. I'll be glad to point you in a cheap, affordable camouflage brand that can basically ship right to your doorstep. That does it for this video. We got some good stuff planned for the fall, so don't lose faith in me. So thanks again for watching. Make sure to check out NewView. I'll put the links to the product I reviewed in the description of the video, and go check it out if you're in the market for some great cheap hunting gear. And thanks again. We'll catch you on the next one.